AI is not magic. It learned by example. I'm going to explain what AI actually is in plain English. No hype, no jargon. By the end of this video, you will get it. Think of it like this. Old school code is a recipe. A programmer writes every rule by hand. If the input matches the recipe, the computer follows it, step by step, predictable, boring, and limited. Because for some problems, there is no recipe a human could possibly write down. AI is more like a chef. Not a recipe follower, but a recipe discoverer. A chef who tasted 10,000 dishes and now improvises. The chef does not know the rules. They learn the patterns. That is the entire difference. Code follows rules. AI learns patterns. Here is what that actually means in practice. There are 3 pillars to get. Pillar 1. AI learns by example. You do not write rules. You give it data, lots of data. Imagine teaching a kid what a cat looks like. You do not say 4 legs, fur, 2 ears, whiskers, a tail. You show them 100 photos of cats. They see the pattern. AI works the exact same way. You feed a model 10,000 cat photos. It finds the pattern itself. Then you show it a new photo and it says cat. The model learned what cats look like. No human ever typed those rules. That is the first big idea. Pillar 2. Patterns, not rules. This is why AI exists at all. For some problems, hand-coded rules just do not work. Try to write rules to recognize a cat in any photo. If has fur, if has whiskers, if has ears. Wait, dogs have all those too. What about a black cat in shadow, a close-up of one paw? A cat upside down, you would need millions of rules, and one new edge case would break the whole system. The AI does not care about rules. It finds the abstract pattern of what a cat is, something no human could code by hand. This is also why AI is so good at language, speech, and faces. They are all fuzzy patterns. Pillar 3. Generalization. This is the killer feature. AI works on inputs it has never seen. You train the model on 10,000 cat photos. You show it the 10,000th and first, a brand new cat it never encountered. It still recognizes it. That is generalization. The model learned the underlying pattern, not just the specific photos. This is what makes AI useful in the real world, where every input is a little different. Now you might be wondering, AI is not new. The basic idea was invented in the 1950s. So why is it everywhere only now? 2 reasons. 1. Data. The internet gave us oceans of examples. Photos, text, videos, audio. Enough to train models on the patterns of human civilization. 2. Compute. Modern graphics processors let us run those models at the scale needed to actually find the patterns. The science was old. The fuel and the engine are new. That is what changed in 2022. So when should you actually use AI? Use AI when you have 3 things. 1. Lots of data. AI is hungry. The more examples, the better. 2. Fuzzy patterns. Things humans recognize instantly but cannot describe in words. Faces, speech, language, recommendations. 3. Edge cases everywhere, when the variations are infinite. Photos, voices, anything that varies. When should you not use AI? When you need exact answers, tax, math, legal contracts, anything with one clear right answer. For those, write code. Code is for rules. AI is for patterns. Pick the right tool for the job. This is the most common mistake beginners make. They reach for AI when a simple if statement would do. One more thing worth knowing. There are different kinds of AI. The classic kind recognizes. It looks at input and predicts a label. Cat or dog, spam or not. The new kind, generative AI, creates. It produces new text, images, audio, video. ChatGPT writes essays. Midjourney paints pictures. Suno makes songs. Both kinds run on the same core idea, learn from examples, but they output different things. We'll cover generative AI in detail in the next video. Here is the wild part. You have been using AI every single day without realizing. ChatGPT writes, your phone unlocks with Face ID. Spotify picks your next song. Google Maps reroutes around traffic. Your inbox filters spam. Google Translate understands you. Netflix recommends shows. Amazon predicts what you will buy. Your camera autofocuses on faces. Every single one of those is AI, software that learned by example. Let me recap in 3 lines. 1. AI learns by example, not by rules. 2. It finds patterns, not recipes. 3. It generalizes to inputs it has never seen. That is what AI is, not magic, not science fiction. Just software that learned instead of being told. If this clicked, follow Terminode AI. We are building the simplest map to modern AI in plain English, 1 word at a time. Next up, what is generative AI? The kind that creates instead of just recognizes. See you there.